Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor baman takasngi. Ya kasngi kyrpang jong pyrthei ka breka World Folk Rule Day la rakhi kyrpang da ki khana pule ka skul ba NeHU. Ya ka te ka yo le kmen ka Folk Rule Day la play pat ba da udin katna School of Social Science NeHU Professor K. Deb Barma. Kabentai kasngi penne kyrpangi ki dakishin ki balongkum ki snap jingtho jingdro bar ki tiar ki tar ki jingkan mau jing ki min barim ya ka bala rakhi kum shibentai ka jingda pasan posnem ne ka golden jubilee jong ka NeHU ha katna jong ka cultural and creative studies. Ya ka program la pelong da katnat cultural and creative studies ha multi-use convention hall NeHU minaka arpu arturik unailar ha ka jingelam jong Professor Desmond Kharmauplang head department shu ka benta lekmen bat bo tingkai ki snap bar ki jingtho jingdro bar ki tiar ka long ban pinkan mau ki Samla pule skul ba NeHU bagi dei banwat bat ti bnya yathu Professor Desmond Kharmauplang. Professor Desmond Kharmauplang kum udu halia ban ai ki jingtip ye ki Samla pule ki ki badon ha saudong saukun ha ki shnong ki raj kalong ban tip banti bat pule. Shu Professor Desmond uyatho baga jingrakhe lingku snem basan pho jong ka NeHU kalong ban pniar shu ye ka jingpuli jong ki khana school ba NeHU bandon ye ka subject drodar bar ki jingpuli ha ki jingtho bamdon shu badon kam banwan. Hakate ka jingrakhi ya ka folk rule ki Samla puli NeHU ki pen ye ka jingtbit bandro ye ki dur ki dar bapher jong umin barim ya ka balapan inam ha NeHU multi-use convention hall NeHU
organized such a beautiful and befitting program of an exhibition of painting, sculpture and clinics that depicts the culture, not only the culture, the thought of the unexpressible otherwise through all these Yorodi words. When it comes to all these areas, I'm not an expertise to be able to speak or even to give a proper address, but I feel that this is very important for Meghalaya, Khasi, Jaintia and even Garus to depict the culture through the exhibition that you have organized today.
Moment, this would be the right opportunity for the department, I think, to create a very intense awareness and also to mobilize support from within the university community, especially the faculty, the administration, the students, taking everybody into confidence, to set this catalyst for the creation of full-fledged departments of music and fine arts. I think, I will take this up further with the faculty, members of the department, and we can begin the groundwork by creating a proposal for the establishment of the departments of painting, departments of fine arts, and departments of music. This will obviously, answer and it will respond to the long-felt need of the students and of the community as a whole. A treat to see such wonderful work that has been done by these students who have managed to do all this in a very short span of time. I mean, in a regular arts program, you would require no less than 4 years to be initiated into the domain of art. But here, in this particular instance, we have these students who, within a span of only 12 months and less, they have been able to show so much of talent, so much of taste also that you will be seeing displayed on the boards outside, on the easels in the lobby. So this is introducing the exhibition. I thought it would be really very auspicious if we combine the exhibition along with a celebration of World Folklore Day. Now, World Folklore Day is being celebrated all over the world on 22nd of August. And this has a very special significance. The reason is that in 1846, in the year 1846, on 22nd of August, the English antiquarian, whose name was William Thomson, he coined the word folklore, and he introduced the word folklore through his writing a letter to the editor of a journal which was very popular at that point of time, and the journal's name was the Athenaeum. So it was on 22nd of August 1846 that the word folklore first appeared. And this is why we celebrate 22nd of August as World Folklore Day. As I speak, I know that there are multiple celebrations going on in multiple places. I will be joining colleagues of mine from different universities. I've been asked to also speak at a celebration of World Folklore Day at Kalyani University. I will be talking to the students there online in the afternoon. And I know for a fact that there are also different institutions, different universities in different parts of the world that are celebrating World Folklore Day today. So it is indeed befitting that on such a very special occasion we also have an exhibition of paintings, artworks, sculptures and prints that have been done by our painting students.